In this video, we'll talk about the RIF token or the RIF crypto, and we'll talk about this massive bull run we had of almost 500% today. We'll talk about why that happened and what's happening now, because as you can see, it's looking very, very ugly. But we'll cover everything you need to know, and we'll also cover whether it's able to get back up again. But for now, let's get right into it. So first of all, I hope you're all having a great Monday, and I hope you're doing okay. RIF is the RSK infrastructure framework. That's an abbreviation, which is kind of like a layer 3 Bitcoin project. It really is based around Bitcoin. Now this move, though, to be 100% honest with you, I haven't seen manipulation like this in a very long time. I have seen a lot of manipulation throughout the markets in the last, let's say, last 2 weeks, but this manipulation again, a lot of volume coming from Gate.io. There's something going on. I'm not sure what, but there are some whales or some groups pumping and dumping cryptos right now, and they are operating a lot on Gate.io. It seems like, at least that's what I've been noticing while analyzing a lot of cryptos. And RIF is the same thing, so I would definitely recommend you to stay out of it. It looks very manipulated, as you can see right here. You can see that in a matter of 5 minutes, we went from 4 cents to 17 cents, and the volume went up from 7 million to 12 million, so more than 4 million. It just, there was probably not a lot of selling pressure, not a lot of volume at all in limit orders for RIF. So then you can get something like this, and that also explains why we're dropping this much, because if you get up this much, there are no buy orders at all. Some people might actually do a market order, but there are no buy orders like able to hold the price up at levels, at previous support levels. You broke like 12 cents, 11 cents, nothing like that. So what's happening right now, and I do want to highlight once again that it is manipulated. It's probably even a pump and dump. So please stay out of it. There's probably money to be made down the line, but I would say it's too risky. So right now we're at the support level at around 7.5 cents. We might find some support level to get up to like $9 or $9 but in the end, what we'll do is we'll drop down to 7 cents and down to 6 cents. And either at 7 or 6 cents, we might actually get some more bullish momentum. So we might actually go up by like 10, 20, 30%. But it's not worth it, because it's probably going to be at 6 cents. So we'll do something like this, but in the end, what we'll do is we will continue this drop at least down to 5 cents, because in the end, the RSK infrastructure framework is a legit project, all right? It's functioning, it adds value, and it's not dead at all. However, it just, we were around like 3.5 or 4 cents earlier. So I do think we can stay a little bit higher, but before that, we will continue to fall. And this fall, it's probably not going to be a big crash like we just had today as well, but it's more going to be like an accelerated downtrend, very much, and like kind of falling. So we will find support at some levels, but eventually I think we're dropping down to that 5.25 cent level. So yeah, I do want to highlight once again that yes, this was manipulated, but the project has probably has nothing to do with it. We can see some real like we can see some real things happening in crypto that kind of have the same characteristics, like that volume from Gate.io. So therefore, I think it's way more likely that there's some sort of a group or individual manipulating cryptos where not a lot of sell limits are present. So yeah, be wary of that in the entire market. But for now, that's my take on RIF. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care. Have a great week, and bye.